What can we expect from the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S24? That's the question on everyone's lips as we stand on the precipice of another technological revolution. With each new release, Samsung continues to push the boundaries of smartphone innovation. The Galaxy S24 promises to be no exception. Firstly, whispers suggest that the Galaxy S24 could introduce a groundbreaking camera system. Imagine the ability to capture your world in even more vivid detail, with a rumored 108-megapixel primary lens. This would be complemented by an ultra-wide lens and a periscope zoom lens, offering a full suite of photography tools in your pocket. Imagine the convenience of a phone that wirelessly charges other devices. Yes, you heard right. The Galaxy S24 might just turn that dream into a reality with the expected introduction of reverse wireless charging. This feature would allow your S24 to share its battery life with other devices, turning your smartphone into a portable power bank. But what about the display, you ask? The Galaxy S24 is anticipated to dazzle with a dynamic AMOLED screen, offering a refresh rate of 120 Hz for smooth scrolling and gaming. Furthermore, the device is expected to boast a resolution of 3200 by 1400 pixels, offering unrivaled clarity and color accuracy. If you're worried about all these features draining your battery, fear not. Rumors suggest that the Galaxy S24 will house a battery with a capacity of 5,000 mAh, providing ample power to get you through your day. Lastly, it's anticipated that the Galaxy S24 will run on the latest Android operating system with Samsung's One UI layered on top, providing a sleek, user-friendly interface. So in summary, the Samsung Galaxy S24 is shaping up to be quite the marvel. From a groundbreaking camera system and reverse wireless charging to a dynamic AMOLED display and a robust battery, the Galaxy S24 appears set to redefine our expectations of what a smartphone can be. Stay tuned for the official announcement. Until then, we can only dream of the possibilities the Samsung Galaxy S24 might bring.